Back with a new video, and today I'm going to let you know the ways to select all photo in Google Photos. In order to select all photos in Google Photos, you have to follow the steps. Open up a browser, type in photos.google.com and log into your account. So you can see these are all the photos. So in order to select all this, first of all, go and select the one. Let's say this is the one. Hold on to your shift key off the left hand side, and then you could go ahead and select that. And when you actually go ahead and keep on highlighting it just like this, you just have to go ahead and do it. Now you could go ahead and select all of these photos. So this is basically how you could go ahead and select all that. You could go ahead and highlight it all. Just click on it and then highlight it all, and this is the way you could go ahead and select all photo in Google Photos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.